Our clients wanted to view this home for sale in California that just came on the market. Come join me in this beautiful house tour. The spacious living room has an elegant fireplace and high ceilings. The beautiful dining room has an access door to the side yard and a nice lighting fixture. The large gourmet chef's kitchen has sleek granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, which includes a built-in refrigerator and a double oven. It also features tile mosaic backsplash, plenty of cabinets, and a large center island. There is also a breakfast nook for casual dining and easy access to the backyard. It's a gorgeous 5-bedroom, 3-bath house on almost 1¼ acre lot, located in Riverside, California. This home in California for sale measures over 4,300 square feet, was built in 2000, and features an open floor plan. The backyard is absolutely breathtaking and perfect for entertaining guests for pool parties and barbecues. It almost feels like your own private oasis. The sparkling pool looks refreshing and the spa looks relaxing. There are plenty of mature fruit trees and lots of space for any gardening enthusiast. There is also an ornate gazebo for you to sit, relax, and enjoy our beautiful Southern California weather. There is a charming fountain and a covered patio to lounge under. The oversized family room features a built-in media center, hardwood flooring, 2 ceiling fans, a second fireplace, and is large enough to play billiards. This beautiful home for sale even has a wet bar and small fridge. Perfect when you have large gatherings and want your guests to mingle. This centrally located laundry room has plenty of cabinets, a utility sink, and washer-dryer hookups. There is also a large 3-car garage and a downstairs bathroom. Upstairs features a large loft that overlooks the formal living and dining room and includes attractive bookshelves. The stunning master bedroom suite includes a double-door entry, crown molding, a ceiling fan, a cozy fireplace, and attached ensuite bathroom. The elegant master bathroom has dual sinks, recessed lighting, tile flooring, a soaking tub, and a shower. A roomy walk-in master closet is complete with a closet organizer. There are also 2 private water closets in the master bathroom, which you don't see very often in homes, but definitely a bonus selling feature. The master bedroom shares an adjoining balcony. The second guest bedroom features a ceiling fan with light, a closet, and a window seat. The hallway also features cabinets for linen storage. The third bedroom features a closet, ceiling fan with light, and a view of the yard. The fourth bedroom includes a closet, access to the adjoining balcony, and floor-to-ceiling mirrors, which really makes the room feel even larger. The guest bathroom has dual sinks, a full-size bathtub with shower, and a water closet. The house has a low tax base and no HOA fees. This gorgeous home is truly an entertainer's delight and even features a putting green, basketball hoop, and breathtaking panoramic views of Riverside, California. If you're interested in buying a home in Riverside, California or surrounding areas, please contact me. I would be honored to help you find the home of your dreams. Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.